Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. CAKE, looking interesting. Just crashed the pivot point. It's creating some kind of base with quick and swift short risk I mean. Okay, so it's 16 and a half. I just enter 16 and a half is my entrance. It's 16.25 as a stop. I just submitted. And I want my partial to be on the 1720, pretty much. So that's kind of the first day that I'm going more than 1-to-1. And I'm hoping it's going to hold. Right now it's looking interesting. Now I moved my stop basically to be my entrance. Because you can see 16 and a half, 504 shares waiting, which is really, it's not a small piece that's waiting here. It's a big seller. So in my book, if it's breaking, my success rate will crash, and that will be my point to exit. So in this case, I reduce my risk from 100 to about $20, which is amazing. Nice. Nice. Okay, now the VWAP is in 1775. So I got a long way there. And you can see in 1760-ish, I got a pivot point. Okay, to be exact, 1760 exactly is the pivot point. So once we're passing the EMA, and hope that will pass soon, then I can get my partial one. Okay. So now I'm in the money, just a bit, not too much. Still waiting. It's basically building on the 17. And I need to see that the 17 breaks and it's jumping, and if it's jumping it's going to give me partial one. It's like high probability. And you can see that the big bucks moved to 1675. Okay, I'm not moving yet because I want to see what will happen with the 7075. Right now nobody's asking for 7075. We are at 1678 as the low. Did move my stop to be 72. Oh, that was so fast that my stop was just ignored completely. Okay, I don't want to see my stop ignore, I don't want to lose, and that was a huge recovery. I just put my stop below the huge candle. I'm going to fix it to be back in the 75. Now my big seller is in 80. and I put just a stop. So if it's jumping again, I want to go out. Okay, come on. Okay. Come on, leave it. Leave the 6090. And 5 minutes looks amazing. The daily, you can see that we're running, and I'm out. That's a shame to be out now. I might be too aggressive, but I did thought that the stock to do better here. And you can see that after that it jumped, then crashed completely, crash below the 16.5, and then jump again and finish in the lower of the day, pretty much. Okay, so it was nice. I did miss my partial that I want to take, but altogether, a green is a green. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Comment and subscribe.